Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Today we're going to look into another type of an active directory attack called silver ticket attack. So this is also an active directory type of an attack, and as we've seen in previous videos, we've been looking into different kind of active directory attacks, like Kerberos state, token impersonation, and all that. So today we're going to look into silver ticket attack. But before we dive into the demonstration part of it, let's just look briefly to what silver ticket is, and just to get familiar with it and to kind of understand what this attack means. So silver ticket is a type of an active directory attack that exploits weaknesses in Kerberos authentication protocol within the active directory environment. So it allows the attacker to forge Kerberos TGS or ticket granting service for specific services. So by trying to by enabling unauthorized access to those services without needing to interact with the KDC or key distribution center, or even to obtain a valid TGS, TGT, ticket granting ticket. So that is what silver ticket means. And to be able to perform this attack, we need to do these certain steps. You have to compromise the machine. First, you have to have initial access to the compromised system. Once you have access, escalate privileges, and basically we're going to, capture or retrieve the NTLM hash of a particular service account. So by doing that, you can perform like a Kerberos, get the plain text password of that particular service attack. So we actually need a service account to be able to do this. We need the NTLM hash of this particular service account. So from there, we're going to convert the password of the service account to NTLM hash. So that's how we're going to obtain the hash. So we'll change the plain text to NTLM hash. From there, we can now create a TGS ticket or forge a TGS ticket by using to like make cards, and from there we can now inject it and impersonate this particular service account. So this will allow the access to service without needing the valid TGT or interacting with the KDC, like I said earlier. So this is how this attack works, and I would say let's just look into the demonstration part of it so that you can actually understand this better. But before we, go through that also, so to make sure we understand it much better to perform this, so we need the domain SID as well. It's very, very important. We need to need that. We can use Power BI to evaluate and get the domain SID. It's pretty much easy and straightforward. So we need the domain SID. Then we're going to convert the plain text password into NTLM hash. Then we're going to use RubyS to do this or to perform this attack precisely. So it's quite easy steps to take, but without spending more time, wasting much time to talk, let us dive into the demonstration part. I'll share my screen now, and we can look into that together. So my screen is both shared. I believe we can see my screen. So basically what it's saying here is, basically we have an initial access to the system to perform the attack. So like I said earlier, we get to need the domain SID. That is the first thing I'm going to try to retrieve from here. So further, let's check the tool. So we have Power View, Mimic Cards, and RubyS, but we're going to use RubyS to perform this attack precisely. So let's try to get the domain SID first. Let's form command that's domain SID. So this is the domain SID here. So I'm going to copy it and save it somewhere, so that I can use that to modify the command. Okay, that's been done. So we have obtained the domain SID right now. So the next thing for us is to try to convert a service. So on this system, there's a particular account that we're going to use. So I don't want to go back to perform a kind of Kerberos thing, cracking the password and all that. So just to skip that part, I already know the password for the SQL Service account, which is password 123 exclamation. So we're going to convert that password into hash, into NTLM hash. First thing we're going to do, we're going to utilize Rubius to do that. So we're going to copy the command from my test note. I'll just paste it without wasting much time. So this is how you can use Rubius to convert a plain text password to NTLM. So if I run this command, you have the NTLM here. So this is done. I'm going to copy this one again, put it on the command that we're going to run. So we have obtained, we have passed through the first two steps. The next step now is to create a server to get into this. And we're going to kind of impersonate the administrator here, but let's see how it's going to look like. So I'm going to copy the command. It's a very long command, so just have to copy and paste. So let me go back to I think it's trying to make it like we said it. So this is the command we're using will be as silver. So this is sales account we're trying to use. And this is the password hash, the NTLM hash we obtained earlier. And this is the domain SID. That's copied earlier. The user is administrator account we're trying to create a section for. Then domain this app.com. This then we use the last command, which is pass the ticket. So after running the command, you can see here that we generate you see forge TGS for administrator, we're able to forge. See very kind of sends files, for an SQL service account. So you can see that it's a successful see tickets successfully imported. So at this point now, so the next thing for us is we already have a valid ticket for this section. So we can easily log in as SQL service at this point right now because we already have a ticket. So you can utilize tools like SQL, CMD, or ESA, but I don't have an SQL server on this machine. But basically, this is how the attacks look like. Once you get to this point, you can authenticate as SQL service, but it's going to show you, it's going to tell you, you're authenticating as an administrator. But once you get to this point, it's already technically successful. So this is where we're going to end the video for today. I'll see you on the next video.